This video will go through how to filter data as well as how to split data into multiple tables. These cyclic voltammograms have 3 scans, and maybe I just want to see one of the scans, like scan 2 for example. What I can do is select the scan data series and choose filter data in the toolbar. Here I can select the table and the data. This is already selected, and this should be equal to 2 in this case. I press OK, and then I get a new table, and this just has scan number 2. Of course, just as for the functions, we can also select several tables and do the same thing. Filter, maybe just scan 2, and then it will ask me if I want to repeat it for all of the tables. If I choose yes, now I get a new table, each one with the different CVs with just scan 2 in it. Another thing would be if we don't just want to see one scan, but we want to split this table into 3 different tables, one for each scan. So this works in a similar way. If you select scan, in the data menu, we have split data. Here we can select the data series. This is already selected for us, so just press OK. And now we get 3 new tables for scan 1, 2, and 3. And of course, we can select multiple tables and do the same thing, split data, and then it will ask us if we should do it for all of the selected tables. If we choose yes, now we get all of these tables. So each of the 5 cyclic voltammograms has been split into each of the separate scans. Now, one issue might of course be if we don't have this scan information available in the table. So for example, if I press delete to remove those first data series, and we imagine that we just had the voltage and current, how would we do the filter or split in this case? Well, now we would need to create that scan data series somehow, which we can do with the function create group data series. So if we select the potential, and either in the data menu or we right click and we have create group data series, and in this case we should choose scan, and then we create this information out of the potential. So this will be the topic of a future video where we will go through this group data series in more detail.